His parents are destroying our relationship. I've been with my fiancé for 3 years, and we have a 1-year-old child together. We got engaged last year, but I'm having second thoughts after how his family has been treating me. They've always had something to say about our relationship. They've always been critical and controlling and feel entitled to butt in on our lives. Worse, my fiancé is incapable of standing up to them and often takes their side over me. As part of our wedding agreement, I wanted a prenup and postnup, and we both agreed to have a small wedding with only close family and friends. We were both in agreement on this until he told his parents. His parents were angry we'd chosen a small wedding and ordered us to change it so they could invite more family. They also said to scrap the prenup and post-nup since they were disrespectful and unwomanly. Obviously, I told them it's none of their business and we'd make our own choices, but then my fiancé sided with them. He said it was only fair to have a big wedding and we didn't really need the agreements anyway. I feel completely betrayed. I can't count on him to stick up for me on anything, even our own wedding. I feel like